I see the art more in the questions that you're asking and the ideas that you're trying to communicate, and then the technology allows you to manifest those ideas, concepts into reality.
Does art inspire technology, or is technology shaped by art?
저 제품 디자이너로서 돌이켜보면 뭐 기술과 예술이 항상 이렇게 분리되어 있다고 생각하지는 않습니다. 뭐 사람들은 본능적으로 더 심미적인 거를 원하기도 하고요.
Et puis ces outils ont permis de réaliser des mouvements qui devaient être précis et fiables. Donc c'est des outils très techniques. Donc l'horloger devait avoir beaucoup d'imagination.
Technology is not technique. We use technique every day. Technology is something different. Technique is, I don't care, it's when I live in a house, if every day I say, the structure is very nice, it's beautiful. No, you live in a house is, if you feel well, you feel well. Everything is something that is part of our life. The best of this world, your work, is that it's quite normal.
You don't need to have a mountain of objects, of books, of CD, but beautiful tools to use that contains all those things. And so for this, technology is very important, but to give us a better way to live.
On behalf of all of us, Wallpaper, to the team LG, Mr. Chung, Antoine, Matt, Doriana and Massimiliano, thank you for your time this evening.